Hello guys. In this video tutorial, we will see how to back up Alcatel Lucent Switch and how to restore the configuration uh, from the backup folder. So current model which I'm using is 6450, and the commands and the process that I will show you in this video is some or similar the same for all the Alcatel Lucent switches. Okay, so first of all, you need to see if your running directory and the working directory is synchronized. It is very important. If it is not synchronized, you must synchronize it. But before even synchronizing, you must tally your working directory configuration and your certified directory configuration file. Maybe the active configuration or the running configuration which is running from working directory, the boot.cfg file which is there, maybe it is having some additional configuration which is not required, and maybe the right configuration file is sitting somewhere in certified directory. So it is very important that your both of the directories must have to be synchronized, so at least you know, okay, the backup file which you are taking is the right one or the actual one. Okay, so since our working and certified directories are synchronized, it means both are having the same files, same boot.cfg configuration files in it. So the very first thing that you'll have to do is, if it is enabled already, it's good. Otherwise, all you need is just to give the AAA command for the FTP to allow FTP, uh, since we'll be using the FileZilla to back up the switch. So AAA authentication FTP local. That's it. And make sure you have the management IP interface configured on your switch, since we have configured it already. So management IP address is here. If you are unaware how to configure IP interface and VLANs in your switch, Alcatel Lucent Switch, so just click on the I button which is in the right top corner, and you will be redirected to my tutorial in which I have shown how to create a IP interface and a VLANs. Okay, so since our management IP address is here, so AAA authentication we have already configured. Now let's just simply go to your FileZilla. I'm using FileZilla FTP service. You can use whichever service or software or tool you like. So let's just give the management IP address 192.168.0.253 is the IP address of my switch. Let's give the credentials. Admin is the username. Password is, I'm not going to tell you. And just press OK here. Okay. So it will automatically open the working directory. If it is not opened, all you need is just to click or expand the splash directory, and here you will see certified network switch and working directory. You will just need to click on working, and down you will see the working directory. All the files which are in the working directory are available here. Scroll down a little bit, and this is the file which is having the configuration of your switch. So you can simply right click on it, and before downloading, just select the folder where you want to put your files. So you can create a folder and select there, and that's it. Click here, right click, and just click on download. And here is the boot.cfg file downloaded, which is which will be saved here as a backup purposes. If, for example, something goes wrong in the switch, something bad happens, so you have the backup. All you need is just to put the backup back to the switch. Or, for example, your switch gets faulty and you bought the new switch, and now you want to put the same configuration in that switch. So if you have the backup file with you, so you can simply copy that backup file in the working directory again, and you are good to go. No need to do the configuration and all those hassles. Just don't need to worry about that. So, okay, so this is how we download the file, the backup file. in our system, in our PC, in our backup directory, in our PC. So, for example, now uh, you have the switch, or you just need to put the backup back to your switch. So, in the same way, you just need to connect the management IP, give the credentials, and connect it. Once it is connected, go to that file, which is which one, the actual file boot.cfg, which is supposed to go to your switch. So what you have to do, you will have to right click here and click on upload. Click on upload, and it will say there is a boot.cfg file already there. So do you want to overwrite? Yes, we want to overwrite, because we know the file which we are uploading is having the actual configuration. Just press OK, and yeah, the configuration file is uploaded. And after that, you can disconnect the FileZilla. So now, once this is done, so all you need is just to reload the switch once. Reload, working, no rollback timeout. This command is for AOS 6. If you are using AOS 8, the reload command is a little bit different. I will show you here. It is reload, and you'll have to type from. Here it will not work, but in AOS 8, the command is reload from, and then you will have to type working, and then you'll have to give space and no rollback timeout. That complete command is there. Okay. So in AOS 8, you will have to add this string as well, from reload from working, no rollback timeout. But in this AOS, which is AOS 6, the command is reload working, no rollback timeout. Okay. And you just need to press enter and reload your switch. And once your switch is reloaded, so it will be running on that boot.cfg file. It would be having that configuration which was in that boot.cfg file which you uploaded recently. Thank you so much. Bye bye.